We're going to learn the chain by Fleetwood Mac today. We're in drop D tuning, but we have a capo on the 2nd fret. So what that means is when you play the D7, right, this is D9, right? Listen to how awesome it sounds. Right, that riff is, okay? So you basically can go 6, 4, 2, 3, 1. And if you go down, down, up, it makes it easier to not miss the string. So down, down, up, down, up. That's the first riff. And the second riff is, all right, so what I do is a hammer on there, so. Okay, that's the second part. Now that bit loops. And then, when you get to that, before the verse starts, you have a riff that goes F, D, C, A, D. Da, 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 da. Right? So, 3 and 4 and da, 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 da. Right? And just do it. A big old chunk at the bottom. Right? Right, then the verse starts. We get this like 1, 2, G, C, B flat, D. All right, so what you can see there, you can kind of weave the riff that we had at the beginning into the tune, right? So we've got D9, right? Listen to the wind blow. Now we're going to go to G5. Because we've got a drop D, we have to play it slightly different than we normally would. So we get 5, 5, 0, 0, 3. Right? Don't hit the top string. You could, but that kind of loses the grrr instead of. But you know, whatever. It's your version of the song too. All right. Then we get at C sus2, which basically is like a C without the middle, right? So 3, 0, 0, 1, right? And then swap those fingers around. This is G minor over B flat. I know, terrifying, right? And then go back to D9. You can play that riff that we had before if you like. No rules, man. Okay, so that's how the verse goes. Then we hit the chorus. D minor, G minor over B flat, C. Right, let's just talk about those chords. We've got G5, we're going to hit them with the back of your hand, stop it. D minor, G minor of B, same chord we had before. And then C sus2, we also had that before. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying, I'll never break the chain. All right, so that is almost the whole thing. The last part is the might as well learn that riff, right? We're going to play A. This is actually an actual A. Right? Bum, bum, bum. So if you're still in drop D, 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, 5, 7. And then instead of going back up here, you could hit just the open A string, 5th string, and then hit the big one, right? You're a fan of British motorsport in the 1980s, you'll be very familiar with this bit. Now, because then the lead guitar just hits an E, right? I've got an E underneath the capo here. And then he goes octave. right? And then he's going E minor pentatonic. Along those lines, it's an E minor pentatonic. I didn't learn this bit, but you get that for an extra. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye for now.